You've probably heard of the groundbreaking work happening at institutions like the Large Hadron Collider or the LIGO Laboratory. You might think that to be a part of such big science, you need to be a part of a big institution, a professor at a top university, or a researcher at a national lab. But what if you're not? What if you're an independent researcher, working on your own, driven by a passion for discovery? Can you join the biggest experiments in the world? The short answer is yes, you can. But it's not simple. The days of the lone wolf scientist in a basement lab are mostly over, at least when it comes to massive, collaborative projects. Large-scale experiments like those at CERN or the Event Horizon Telescope are made up of thousands of scientists and engineers from hundreds of institutions all over the globe. Each of those institutions is part of the collaboration. And to get a seat at the table, you need to be affiliated with one of them. So, how does an independent researcher get involved? The most common path is to find a university or research institution that is already a member of the collaboration. You can then try to get a visiting researcher position or a fellowship there. Think of it as joining a team that's already in the league. You get to use their resources, their network, and their access to the experiment's data and infrastructure. There's also a more direct but much more challenging route. Some collaborations allow an institution to apply for membership. If you have a legitimate, well-funded research group, even if it's independent, you can apply to become an official collaborating institution. This is rare, though. It's a huge commitment, and you'll be responsible for providing a meaningful contribution to the experiment, whether that's building a piece of the detector, writing software for data analysis, or leading a specific research group. Ultimately, while the path is challenging, the world of big science is becoming more open. The focus is on the quality of your ideas and your ability to contribute, not just the logo on your lab coat. So if you're an independent researcher with a passion for big questions, don't give up. The universe is waiting.